Budget cuts that we've faced here in the Commonwealth have had a drastic effect on every classroom across the Commonwealth. The impact in our classrooms included all of the extras. We really tried to protect the core, but we couldn't protect everything.
I think we have to make sure that the state commitment to funding is at a level where all districts can provide an adequate education for their students to be successful.
The reality is that the amount of money that's available in the classroom for teacher resources, for new programming, for money that goes for greater support for educators to have in-service training, etc., all of those things add up.
So we have the mandate to provide the services without the promised funding to help defray the cost of providing those services.
We have to consider things like creating 21st century classrooms.
Probably we need to start thinking about doing more than a one-year budget. We need to think in terms of looking at two-year budgets or possibly three-year budgets for education. Many districts rely largely upon local money in terms of property tax, but that additional funding that comes from the state that helps to equalize the situation is one in which, again, if we had a 2 or 3 year budgeting process for education, districts could make a lot more important choices.
Nonetheless, money needs to be funneled towards districts, especially those in need, to provide for the very basics that we all consider important to providing a safe, sustainable, and quality education for every child in Pennsylvania and making them career and college ready. Additional funding could help us really reach some of those student populations who struggle, who have to go through the stressors of taking these tests even though it may not be developmentally appropriate for them. Working together as a community that includes our professional staff, our parents, our students, our taxpayers, our community members, we will provide a quality education for our kids.
Go public. From CAPS, the Council for the Advancement of Public Schools. friendsofpubliced.org